Today, we'll explore the F0238 error code in Worcester Bosch boilers, its causes, and how to troubleshoot it. Let's begin. Worcester Bosch boilers are known for their reliability and efficiency in heating and hot water. But sometimes, even the best systems encounter errors, like the F0238 error code. The F0238 error code indicates a gas valve or control box issue, specifically related to the gas valve coils. These coils regulate gas flow into the boiler, and when they malfunction, the F0238 code appears on the control panel. Let's explore the possible reasons for the F0238 error code in Worcester Bosch boilers. 1. Gas valve unit issue. A faulty or worn-out gas valve unit disrupts gas flow into the boiler, triggering the error code. 2. Gas valve leak. A gas valve leak leads to a pressure drop, resulting in the F0238 code. Remember, gas leaks are safety hazards and require immediate attention. 3. Incorrect control box. Problems with the control box communication can prevent proper operation and trigger the error code. First troubleshooting step: check water pressure. Ensure the water pressure is between 1 and 1.5 bars, as low pressure can trigger error codes. Next step: verify gas supply. Check if other gas appliances are working to ensure an active gas supply. Final step: seek professional assistance. If the issue persists, contact a service team qualified heating engineer or Worcester Bosch customer support helpline for expert diagnosis and recommendations. Always prioritize safety when dealing with boiler-related issues. If you're unsure about troubleshooting the F0238 error code, don't attempt to fix it yourself. Remember, when in doubt, it's best to seek professional help. At Service Team, our skilled gas-safe engineers handle all boiler makes and models, including Worcester Bosch. As accredited installers, we meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. When you face a boiler breakdown, trust us to provide exceptional service and peace of mind. Click on the link below in the description to book a Service Team heating engineer for all your boiler issues. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.